Natalie. You gonna decorate this side?
Hey, Mommy.
Thank you. You want me to help? Tyler, you gonna put some on here, or are you just gonna eat them all, baby?
Huh? You gonna eat them all, or you gonna want help?
Thank you, Natalie.
Natalie, want Daddy? Want help?
So pretty.
Put one
You
right.
just want me to put them on the roof?
More?
Let's see, what does our front look like? There's our front. Should we put some on the windows? Tyler, did Tyler do those, or did you?
I did it.
There's one. Wait.
Okay, should we do some of these? Tyler, you want to do some of those?
Put them on, bud? Go for what?
Oh, they're tasty. I want to eat them.
Put it on the frosting, honey. On the frosting like this. See what Daddy do. Okay? You're more interested in eating them, huh, honey?
Oh, boy. We need more in the front. Let's do like some bushes. You want to do bushes in the front of the house, Natalie? We're not going to have any candy left. You're eating it all. Is this fun, Natalie? Is this fun? Oh, no.
What?
This fell.
Uh-oh.
There we go. It's all good now. Should we do the sidewalk here?
Mommy, what's it?
You want to put some on the sidewalk, Natalie? You want to do some?
Yeah, put a doorbell on.